Hello everyone. Before this video starts, I just want to quickly apologize for the lack of uploads as of late. Things in my life have gotten significantly busier, but for the better. But it has just left me with less time to record and edit videos. So I will be starting to get back into that, but I just have to get used to the new kind of schedule that I've got going right now. But yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to keep doing videos as consistently as possible while with everything that's changed recently. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I needed to say. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Well guys, it's official. We have officially reached 400 subscribers, which is just absolutely insane. I think as of right now, I have 414, which that's on me because I have delayed the creation of this video significantly, and so it's just, yeah, I'm sorry about that. But that does not diminish my excitement at all. I am just overjoyed about reaching 400 subscribers. We're nearly halfway to 1,000, which is just blows my mind. But yeah, I really appreciate all of the new subscribers and all of the old subscribers that have stuck around. But yeah, so for this, I have created a brand new profile picture, and I have not applied it yet as of the recording of this, but I probably will have as of the posting of this video. So you will probably see it on my channel by the time that this video is out. But I'm not sure. YouTube works in mysterious ways sometimes. But yeah, so as per usual for my profile picture creation, it's Matchstick, my main superhero that I feature on this channel, with a big billowing flame coming out of his hands, and then my name and or my channel name at least, and my subscriber count within the flames. And yeah, for this one I wanted to try something different because most of the time the flames are on the right side, but this time I just wanted to, you know, do something a little bit different and make the flames on the left side. Just a little bit of a small detail that, I don't know, I think it just kind of changes things up a little bit. I really do like the overall pose that Matchstick has going on right here. You know, most of the poses that I draw him doing for the profile pictures are him airborne, and what you just saw right there, somehow some of the footage got lost, and so yeah, some parts mistakenly got cut out, so you missed me doing the flames, and then I believe the final shading on the or towards the end, the final dark shading also got removed somehow. But I think that's okay. It just means that there's less, it's less in depth, I guess. But yeah, I guess that's fine. But yeah, for the flames on this one, I wanted to kind of make it a blue transitioning into orange flame, rather than just the solid blue, because in real life a flame would not be just solid blue unless it's really small. A big flame would maybe have a blue base if it was really hot, but then obviously as it gets cooler it goes into orange. So I just wanted to kind of make that massive billowing flame a little bit more realistic. And overall I really like the overall shape of the flame, and how I managed to do it. And since you don't get to really see that process happen in this speed paint because of the lost footage, basically the way I did it is I just I had obviously the flame drawn out on my paper, and then I kind of traced over that with a pen, and then transitioned it into orange and just kind of made like hard lines representing where each color would go. The blue is on top of the orange, and filled those in, blurred them a lot, and then used the smudge tool to kind of smudge them into more defined, I guess, spikes. And then later I'll go in with a lighter color of each blue and orange, and I will cover that on top of his hand that's in the flame, and that'll just kind of give it more of a glow effect. So that's basically how I pulled that off. That's how I should have been pulling it off, but usually I would just do all the steps except for use the smudge tool. And I don't know, that's just something I need to be doing more often, because the smudge tool made the flames just look so much better. But yeah, for the most part, everything is pretty standard here. I've got his eyes going in right now. Obviously, I've kept them orange, and I put the yellow little bit on the inside and blur each yellow bit to make it kind of be like yellow fading into orange. For his bandages, I used an off-colored or an off-white color, so it's kind of partially towards the yellow side of things, or it's more yellow, but it's basically white. And then he's got scar on his leg and scars on his knuckles, on his fingers, and those are parts of his character his character design that go further into his backstory, which I have not gone in depth into on this channel yet, but I really need to. Obviously, got to have a few scratches here and there, a few scars, just to kind of, I guess, represent or show that he's been in fights before and has probably recently been in a fight. But yeah, those are just kind of elements of his character design that kind of need to be there, otherwise it doesn't look quite right. I've got a little bit of a bruise on his right cheek. Sorry about that. His right cheek going in right now. And then you'll see me currently adding in the lighter parts of the flames. So it's kind of the same principle that I used with the outer parts of the flames. You can see me blurring it right here, and then I go in with the smudge tool and just kind of smudge it upwards towards the little spikes of the flames there. And then I do the same thing for the orange. I have to put it underneath the blue bits, but yeah, there's the blurring, and then I'll smudge it down to kind of blend it with the blue parts. And I realized here that I forgot to do his shoes, so I put the color of his shoes in very quickly, and then socks and the bottoms of his the bottoms of his shoes. Sorry about that. And yeah, I mean, I have to put in the purple background, of course, and the purple background is what really made the flames stick out to me. I don't really know what it looked like to you guys, but when I put the purple background in, it just kind of like made the flames pop out way more and kind of gave them more definition, and it just looked so cool. But now you can see me going in with some darker and more gray tones of each color on him, or each main color. I didn't really use it for his shoes or his hair because those aren't really prominent colors on him, but it just adds a little bit of depth and a little bit of texture to it, I guess. And then here I am going in with lighting. I tried to make the lighting quite a bit, or the highlights on him quite a bit heavier than what I would normally do, just to kind of show that the flame is very, very bright. And so I've got it going on his chest, on his face, and I made the lines very thick so that when blurred, it would kind of it would be a lot thicker than, say, if I had just done one little stroke down each like outline of his body. But yeah, I think I did lose the shading with the black, but you'll see that at the very end. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all that happened through this, so I will see you in the outro. Ladies and gents, there you have it. It's on this side of me, of course, and yeah, again, thank you very, very much for subscribing. Let's just keep the ball rolling here. We've got 400, our next stop is 500. I'm so excited. 1,000 subscribers is just absolutely insane. But yeah, thank you again for subscribing. Thank you for sticking with me if you've been here for a long time. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So subscribe if you haven't, leave a like on the video if you liked it, a dislike if you didn't, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.